Hey, I'm Steph with Best I Can Do Barbecue, and today I'm going to try not to screw up barbecue sauce. Today what I'm going to do real quick, it's going to be a short, easy video where I'm going to try to make a vinegar-based Carolina-based sauce. It doesn't have a whole lot of ingredients. It's got ketchup. It's got apple cider vinegar. It's got Worcestershire. It's got that stuff.
The chocolate pot roast with pistachio. With yogurt.
It's got tomato sauce. We've got some corn syrup, soy sauce, hot sauce, chili sauce, honey, and I'm going to put my favorite barbecue rub, the hot barbecue rub by Killer Hogs, and we're going to heat it on the stove, and then I'm going to use it for chicken or whatever, but today we'll use it for pork. I'm not going to show the pork today, we're just making sauce. Saucy. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing I need is, I'm going to put a cup of apple cider vinegar in here. I need 16 ounces of ketchup. Alright, so I need 12 ounces of the chili sauce. We need a whole can of tomato sauce. Alright, need a whole cup of brown sugar. I need a half a cup of Karo syrup. Get set up with a half a cup of honey. We gotta go to the smaller mixtures, and we need Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce. So we need a tablespoon of Worcestershire, a tablespoon of soy sauce. We use around here most of the time low sodium because my wife's got high blood pressure. There we go. There's that. A tablespoon of hot sauce. He calls for a half a cup of dry rub. That seems like a lot of dry rub, and I'm scared to use all my dry rub, but then it's quite. I should use a bigger pot. It's not too late.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Now we're gonna whisk this together. And I'm going to put it on the stove and we're going to let it simmer and reduce. But I'm going to try to mix it up over here. It's easier to clean this mess up over here than it is over there. Please excuse the mess on my stove. It's a working stove. We use this stove. Alright, so we can see we've kind of brought it to a slow boil. That was my goal, bring it to a little boil here. We'll kind of keep stirring it a little bit. We can see it's kind of changing colors. Got a real small little boil around the edges. I'm gonna turn that dude back and let it simmer. Medium low for about maybe 20 minutes. All right, so this simmered on my stove for about 30 minutes. It's got a really nice kind of a dark red color. It's thin. It may set up some more. I mean, it made a bunch of sauce. I really thought I was gonna end up with, like pint, like a little mason jar. But this stuff right here, it made a lot. That's no barbecue sauce, the sauce of the world. So Carolina barbecue sauce, let's see, sweet and tangy, or really tangy, but just a little bit spicy. Ooh, you can smell that vinegar. It really comes out. Let's taste it. See, it's probably the hottest thing that I've ever had in my whole life. It's exactly what you'd think a Carolina sauce would taste like. Tangy, sweet, got a little bit of aftertaste to it, a little bit of spice to it, then maybe that crystal hot sauce. I also added, I did something in the video because I did it after. I put about a half a tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes, give a little bit more spice. Please remember to like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notifications when we get new channels. I appreciate the subscribers we've already got. If you like what we're doing here, leave a comment and tell us. If you like Carolina style sauce, leave me a comment. If you've had it, if you haven't had it, tell me what you think. Feedback's important to us. I promise I'll respond. Remember to drink local and try not to screw up your barbecue.